Mr. Fabian is very engaging. You don't see him as a trainer at all, you see him as a friend instead. So that's very good. The rapport is very strong.
Really funny guy, very interesting, you'll never get bored in his class. But you also get to learn a lot from him. He's a really experienced person.
Basically, I think what Fabian has done is that he's made all of us feel really comfortable, and despite knowing so many things, his humility just really amazes me. He's just pretty much what you would like to be like as a trainer.
As a trainer for trainers, I know exactly how a trainer struggles to make their training impactful, practical and engaging. I guarantee that your pool of trainers will sharpen and transform their workshops from good to great and beyond. I am passionate about creating engaging trainers. I am passionate about raising the training standards. I am passionate about coaching trainers to achieve their 100% potential. It is my promise to empower your trainers to develop and change the people they train. Let me engage their minds and touch their hearts. I am Fabian Fidelis, the trainer for trainers.